Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this twin frying pan set from Tefal. This is the Tefal Delight series. Actually, I don't know whether that's a top of the range or bottom of the range, but it's the Delight series. I think this is supposed to be a cost-effective range. Tefal, well-known brand, really high quality, been around decades. Thermospot, so can the camera pick that up? There we go. Well, thermospot, heat indicator. So when you're frying, the colour changes. There's a little dot in the middle that changes colour to sort of indicate that it's at the right cooking temperature to put your food in. Non-stick coating, really, really important. That's why I sort of buy these. And even heat base, so it dissipates the heat really evenly. This one is suitable for, let's get this closer, gas, electric, coil solid electric, food safe, I would hope so, and dishwasher safe for the lazy people like myself. So there's two frying pans that come with this, a 24 and a 28. What does the little asterisk mean, I wonder? Probably means it's sort of end to end rather than base to base. So if I turn it sideways, you can see it actually comes with two frying pans. On the top it's less clear. So and it's separated by this cardboard insert. Sort of a matte black, semi-gloss black exterior. I think these are made out of aluminium. It probably says it right in front of me. Not there. They feel pretty lightweight. Let's have a look at the back. Even base, so it sort of says the same details. Number one cookware, so really recognised brand as I said before. PFOA free coating, health and environment recyclable product. So saving the universe and hopefully saving yourself as well. And let's get it open. Is there an easy way to get this open, or do we just rip it open? I think we'll just rip it open. We'll get some scissors and cut it neatly open. So if we open it up, we can see the first pan. This is really lightweight, so I'm sure these are aluminium. I read it somewhere. Look at that. Nice little illusion. Nice bit of gloss. Really, really light. This little piece here doesn't feel super high quality, doesn't look super high quality. Handles are plastic, again, sort of budget. The surface here, non-stick. That's what it's really about. But they do, I think they're aluminium. They feel really, really light, much lighter than my previous pans. And there's the Tefal heat spot. So when you put it on the heat and that turns red, so you can't see the dots anymore, then it's ready at the right temperature to add the food in. What else have we got here? There's not much. There's a little screw in the bottom. That's the heat dissipator. So as the heat hits it, it should go around the rings and keep it fairly evenly cooked. What have we got there? I think it's just a serial number. So that's one pan. That's the 24 centimeter one. Take out the insert. We'll put this to one side. And here is the 28. Move the packaging to one side for one moment. We'll have another look at that in a second. So here's the 28, much bigger. I tend not to use this size. They're really cumbersome. I was in the market for a 24 inch. That seems to be sort of a nice small size. And this will come in useful for doing bigger food. Sometimes I do larger food and cooking for several people, and this will come in useful. Basically, there's a really good deal on these, so that's why I ended up buying the two, even though I didn't really look for the 28. So let's have a look at a quick size difference between the two. So that's the 24 and the 28. I think they measure from here to here, not from here to here. So kind of hard to see on camera. Maybe to see that way. You can see the 24, obviously 2 centimeters on each side, smaller. Great pans. I love this shiny glossy effect. Shame we're going to have to cook with it and they'll get sort of all muggy. But that's the two pans, so really pleased with those. Let's just pop those down. We're going to have another look at the interior of the packaging now. So we've got some instructions in here. Here we go. Thermospot. There's a guarantee, a note on care, and some other bits. So nothing really much interesting in there. So there we have it. That is the Tefal Delight Twin Frying Pan Set. 24 and 28 centimetre. So based on previous experience with this brand, especially at this price point, I think I paid about $25. They're on a deal down from the sort of $35. So I think recommended buy. They tend to last. I get a good couple of years out of these, so maybe 5 years out of these before the non-stick sort seems to go. I think there's something about the guarantee. Product is guaranteed against manufacturer's defects. The coating guarantee does not cover scratches, discoloration due to aging. So I'm guessing you basically just chuck it out or recycle it, whatever, after the years. I've never actually sort of gone back on the guarantee. I think it's basically the guarantee is for workmanship on the manufacturing defects, rather than it'll last forever, basically, which is kind of what I was hoping. So yeah, there we have it. Recommended buy.